How to mint and buy NFTs with zero gas fee. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be showing you how you can mint and buy NFTs with zero gas fee OpenSea Polygon method. So let's get started. Now when we buy and mint NFTs, there is a gas fee. Gas fee simply means, if I break it down to you in simple words, is a tax that you pay when you mint or buy NFTs. And this tax, this gas fee, can be very high sometimes. It varies day to day. It changes actually every second, and it is very high most of the time. So what happens is, and it depends on the NFT. For example, the higher priced NFTs have higher gas fee as well. And if you want to check out the gas fee, you just simply go to Google and you can check out different gas fee if you want to, and it actually increases from within seconds. It varies and it is mostly very high. You can actually come to this platform and it actually shows you how much the gas fee is going to be on OpenSea. But every platform, every NFT has different gas fee, and we want to buy and mint NFTs without it. We do not want to pay the tax. We do not want to get heavy on our pockets. So we are looking for a method without the gas fee, and luckily we do have a method, and which is going to be converting our crypto wallet to Polygon in order to mint and create and buy NFTs without the gas fee. Now Polygon is a fast and gas free network on Ethereum that is available, and OpenSea luckily works with that. So how it happens, for example, let me just show you how NFTs are actually available on Polygon as well. So if I go to all NFTs, you will actually see that there are different NFTs that are available on Polygon, and we can just simply buy it. So all of these NFTs, if this symbol is for Ethereum, you can see this one is like gray one. The purple one you can see right here, this one is on Ethereum on Polygon. You will see this purple one, and this says Polygon. You can see this one is also available, Ethereum on Polygon. There you go. Most of the NFTs may not be available on it, but the good ones are actually, and you can actually buy them without the gas fee. So this is actually, it depends on the owner, the creator, if they wanted to create such NFT that is going to be gas free. So if I scroll down, you can see this one is also on Ethereum on Polygon. So this is how we actually find different NFTs that are on Polygon. Simply you just see the purple icon and it shows you. So this is how the NFT can be found. You just simply come to explore and you can just then check out any NFT that is available on Polygon. The search will be limited, but of course if you are going for a free way, then you'll have to compromise a bit, but there are a lot of options. So go ahead and look at this one. This is so cool, and this one is on Polygon. So if you like any NFT, you simply select it and you will be able to buy it on Polygon. But now the question is, how do we buy it on Polygon? So this one is like 0.006 and it is going to be $2. And the good thing about Polygon is that I will be paying only these $2. Okay, this is so cool that I think I'm just gonna buy this one, because this is gas free and it is just going to be $2, and I will not pay any gas fee, any other transaction fee, and I will just pay these $2 and buy this NFT. But to do so, I will have to convert my Ethereum wallet to Polygon. And to do that, come to your crypto wallet, any wallet that you are using. I am using MetaMask, and on MetaMask, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your Ethereum to Polygon, because the customized MetaMask is on Ethereum and it does not have a Matic network, and the Matic network is important because that is going to give us Polygon. So if you check on like Ethereum mainnet, you will see there is no other mainnet right here, and we will be adding Matic here. So what you have to do is just click on add network, and once you click on add network, we will be able to add our networks here. If you want to check out all the networks, simply go to networks and you will see all of your networks right here. You will see there is no Matic. We are going to be adding one. Simply go back to add network. So what I have to do is just simply add the network name. The network name will be Matic. So just follow these steps and you will be able to add your own network as well. So network name is Matic. Now new RPC URL. To get your RPC URL, what you have to do is just simply go to Google and you can just type in Matic mainnet and it will open up a lot of websites with this link. If you do not have this link, you can simply go to Matic mainnet docs and they will give you the link right here. But the simplest way is just simply go to Google and type in Matic mainnet and you will land on this website. Any of the website that you want to, I will actually show you so you have an idea. You can see right here, all I did was just typed Matic mainnet MetaMask and I landed all these amazing websites with the link. I just selected this one where I can add Polygon, the Matic mainnet, and it gave me the link. So what you have to do is just simply copy the link and then paste it right here. Great. Chain ID, the chain ID for Matic is 137. If you don't know that, it is 137, or you can actually, check it right here as well. The symbol is Matic. You can just, add any symbol you want to. I will simply add Matic. And then Block Explorer URL, it's optional. So I suggest if you want to go ahead and add one, you will get the link here. If you do not want to add one, simply leave it. It's okay. It's optional. So simply click on save and it literally takes 1 second to convert your Ethereum to Polygon. You can see this is now Matic and Matic means Polygon. You will see the symbol of Polygon right here. And if I go to mainnets, you will see that it is Matic. But if any time you want to go back to Ethereum, simply convert your Matic to your Ethereum. For now, I am going to keep it Matic. So now my crypto wallet is on Polygon. Now I can simply buy any NFT without the gas fee. All I have to do is just click on buy now and you will actually see the transaction. So you can see there is no gas fee involved. The total is $2. And now all I have to do is just by checking this box, confirm checkout. And once I do that, it will open up my wallet right here and I will just simply add the information, sign for my wallet, and then I can just simply buy this NFT without a gas fee, and it is Ethereum on Polygon. And that's how you can buy your NFTs as well. Simply to mint an NFT on OpenSea. So you will actually see the blockchain right here as well. The blockchain is Polygon. So that was super simple. All you have to do is just convert your mainnet to Matic and then you can just simply buy any NFT that is available on Polygon. You can actually buy it. You will see the purple sign. To mint an NFT, all you have to do is just click on create one. And when we go to create NFT, to mint NFT on OpenSea, we actually get the option of blockchain. And on blockchain, you just have to select Polygon and you will be able to, mint your NFT in Polygon. So when I come on create, it opens this new item for me where I can actually add my NFT. And what happens is I've simply, click right here and add any file that I want to. Let's just say that I want to going to be adding any NFT. Let's go with this one. So I add my NFT. Then all I have to do is add name and description. So the main thing is when you come to blockchain, you will see the option of Polygon, which is a fast gas-free blockchain experience that works with Ethereum, and that's what we want. And OpenSea allows us to mint our NFTs with Polygon. So what I'm going to do is I will select Polygon, and now my NFT will be minted with Polygon and it will be bought without a gas fee, and that's what we wanted. So the rest of the process is super easy. Just simply add your name, then you simply add the description. There you go. Select the collection and simply after that properties, levels and stats if you want to. After that, simply create. And when I create this NFT, you will actually see that this one will have the icon of Polygon because I minted it with the blockchain, minted it on Polygon. So when I come here, now this is my NFT that I just created, and you will see right here that the blockchain for this NFT is Polygon and it is going to be gas free. So yeah guys, this is how you can mint and buy NFTs on OpenSea without the gas fee. The process was super easy. First, what you have to do is just add Matic mainnet to your MetaMask and then simply look for NFTs that are on Polygon. Buy them. If you want to create one, you can simply change the blockchain to Polygon and you can do so. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.